Mixing a dozen buckets of TrowelPave for a single large repair is no fun task at all. That's why here at TechniSoil, we've come up with a better solution. Introducing TrowelPave Bulk, designed for all of your large concrete and asphalt repairs. Clean the repair area with a wire brush. For increased adhesion, apply TrowelPave Tack Coat to repair area. Focus on tack coating the edges. Using any paddle-style mortar mixer, simply mix 1 bottle of binder to every 3 buckets of aggregate to speed up the installation process. Each pallet of TrowelPave Bulk contains 48 43-pound buckets, 16 1-gallon bottles of binder, and 6 bottles of tack coat. Mix until consistent. TrowelPave Bulk is perfect for a wide variety of repairs, ranging from large potholes and alligator areas, speed bumps, forklift and ADA access ramps, and much more. For best results, trowel the repair area and compact with a hand tamp or vibroplate. For more information on TrowelPave Bulk, visit us at TrowelPave.com or contact us at the email below. Bulk is perfect for a wide variety of repairs, ranging from large potholes and alligator areas, speed bumps,